Hey Harper Jewelry Reviews, is legit or a scam? Hey Harper Jewelry Reviews, is legit or a scam? Looking for affordable, stylish jewelry online can be tricky, and Hey Harper Jewelry is one site that pops up frequently. The question is, can you trust it or is it a scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming a website with attractive product photos is automatically safe. The surprising truth is that Hey Harper Jewelry sells trendy, costume-style jewelry at budget-friendly prices. Reviews from customers suggest that while many receive exactly what they ordered, others mention items arriving late, missing pieces, or slightly different colours than advertised. You won't believe what happens next. Hey Harper has secure checkout options, but some users note inconsistent customer service response times. To be safe, read return policies carefully, track your order, and start with a smaller purchase to gauge reliability. In conclusion, Hey Harper Jewelry appears to be legitimate, but quality can vary and shipping might take longer than expected. It's best suited for casual, affordable jewelry purchases rather than high-end or investment pieces. Approach with caution, rate reviews, and manage expectations for the best experience.